Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make a difficult dish in the Arab cuisine. It's really difficult, but it's very delicious. Today we're gonna see how to make stuffed grape leaves. It's hard, but it's easy at the same time. If you keep But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for being with us, and let's cooking. I'm having here like 300 milligram of fresh grape leaves, but you can find a grape leaves in a jars. They sell it on the stores, and you can do the same process with it. First we're gonna add some water in a pot and put it on a stove and put some oil on it, any kind of oil, any kind of oil. Then little by little put the grape leaves on the boiling water, as you see, like you see in the video. Keep it there for like 1 or 2 minutes until it's changed color. As you see, we put it green and we take it out with this color. It changed the color. Keep doing it until you finish. It's worth it to mention that you can make this meal as a vegetarian meal or with meat. Now let's see the mixture that we're gonna put inside the grape leaves. I have here 300 grams of the rice. I rinsed it very well and left it in soak for about 30 minutes. It's worth mentioning that the quantity of rice is the same quantity of the grape leaves. So if you have 1 kilo of leaves, then you're gonna need 1 kilo of rice, and so on. And we're gonna add a grounded beef meat, around 200 grams, 1 spoon of 7 spices, 1 spoon of salt, half spoon of black pepper, 3 spoons of oil, any kind of oil, and to make it taste delicious, add around spoon or spoon and a half of butter, ghee butter. Then mix them all together. Now we're gonna do the rolling thing with the grape leaves. But before we start, there is two things you must know. First, the rough side of the leaf must be facing up. That's where the mixture come on it. The second thing, always snip the stem right up close to the leaf, like you see in the video. Put a little bit of rice and meat on the leaf and roll it up. Please watch the video to know how to roll the leaf up. It's not hard, but it's need a practice. Always try, need a practice. I'm gonna roll them all and I'll be back with you. And this is what we got after I rolled them up. I have here some I have here some rib eyes from a lamb. First, I'm gonna toss it up a little bit so it will get rid of the smell, the bad smell. Then I'm gonna put it on the pot. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, little bit of 7 spices, and a little bit of black pepper. Then I'm gonna put some garlic cloves between the meat and some cut tomato, round tomato as you see, and some onions. Then we add the leaves. After we finished adding the leaves on the pot, we add a spoon of After we finished adding the leaves on the pot, we add a spoon of salt and a chopped tomato. Then we're gonna need to put 1 or 2 plates over the leaves so it will. We put the plates to pull the leaves down. When it start cooking, it wanna go out and open. So the plates will keep them down without opening. It's very important thing to do. After that, we're gonna add the water, and the water must be like 1 to 2 centimeters over the leaves, not more than that. Then we put it over the heat, cover the pot, and let it boil. When it starts boiling, uncover it and leave it for 1 hour boiling. And that's how it looks after 1 hour boiling. We're gonna turn the heat down and put a foil paper on it with the cover and leave it cooking for 2 hours. After 2 hours, uncover the pot and add 1 lemon juice and leave it for 10 more minutes. That's it, our grape leaves is done. Now in a big tray, we're gonna We're gonna flip the pot and take our grape leaves out of it. It looks delicious, no? Believe me, believe me, it tastes delicious too. The secret of this meal is the time. Take your time doing it. You can roll the leaves in 2 days, of course, leaving it on the fridge. And the third day, you can cook it. When you cook it, take your time too. The meat, the leaves love the small heat. Leave it 2 or 3 hours on the stove. Don't rush it. This is the secret of this meal. And this is all for today, my friends. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, please leave it on the comment area. Thank you for watching and bon appetit. The comment area. Thank you for watching and bon appetit.